Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to read a property plat map. A property plat map is a detailed diagram that shows the boundaries and features of a specific parcel of land. Understanding how to read a property plat map is essential for property owners, real estate professionals, and anyone involved in land development. To begin, start by identifying the key components of the plat map, including the property lines, boundaries, and dimensions. The property lines are typically represented by solid lines, while the boundaries are often indicated by a dashed or dotted line. The dimensions of the property are usually shown in feet or meters. Next, look for the legend or key, which explains the symbols and abbreviations used on the map. The legend may include information on the type of zoning, land use, and any easements or restrictions on the property. Familiarize yourself with the symbols and abbreviations to ensure accurate interpretation of the map. Now, examine the property's orientation and location. The plat map should include a north arrow, which indicates the direction of north. This is crucial for understanding the property's relationship to surrounding features and boundaries. Additionally, look for any notable features, such as roads, utilities, or waterways, that may impact the property's value or use. It is also essential to understand the different types of lines and symbols used on the plat map. For example, a dashed line may indicate a proposed boundary, while a solid line represents an existing boundary. A circle or arc may represent a curve or a rounded corner. Familiarize yourself with these symbols to accurately interpret the map. When reading a property plat map, it is crucial to consider the scale and units of measurement. The scale represents the ratio of the map to the actual size of the property. Ensure you understand the units of measurement, whether it is feet, meters, or acres, to accurately calculate distances and areas. To illustrate this, consider a practical example. Suppose you are a real estate agent working with a client who is interested in purchasing a parcel of land. The plat map shows the property lines, boundaries, and dimensions. By understanding the key components, legend, and symbols, you can accurately interpret the map and advise your client on the property's features and potential uses. In conclusion, reading a property plat map requires attention to detail and a thorough understanding of the key components, symbols, and abbreviations. By following these steps and considering the scale, units of measurement, and notable features, you can accurately interpret the map and make informed decisions. Remember to always consult with a professional, such as a surveyor or a real estate attorney, if you are unsure about any aspect of the plat map. With practice and experience, you will become proficient in reading property plat maps and unlock the full potential of this valuable tool.